My wristwatch is broken, my shoes are untied. Time is a-ticking, and so is the tide. But I am not worried, things are what they are. Come rain or come shine or a shooting star. I've been to the south, I've been to the north, east and the west, the middle of course. I may have been astray, but I've never been lost, never been beat by the road I've crossed. I guess I've been lucky to some degree, for someone who ate all the fruit from the tree. The stars been aligned and my goose hanging high. I'll be okay in the sweet by and by. I was born at morning on the first day of June, 1900 and something and two. My mom was a sweetheart, my father was too. They left me a watch and an old pair of shoes. I guess
Hey guys, Keith Fair again, and we just wanted to wish all the fathers happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, guys!
I got my button on, so I hope you guys are all having a good Father's Day. But around this house, we still work, whether it's birthdays, Father's Days, it doesn't matter.
Yes, true. We usually use our Sundays to get caught up on things because our Saturdays are tied up, and Keith's gone a lot through the week. So Sundays are kind of our work days. But today I am going to get caught up on some housework. I'm going to start off doing some vacuuming.
Marshall made us quite the mess. We'll show you in a minute.
The house is an absolute disaster. We use
Cheerios everywhere.
We use an area to put his snacks down on too, and he just made more of a mess and played with the snacks rather than actually eating the snacks. So we got to get that cleaned up. I have some laundry to do.
And who knows what else. We'll see.
Probably some mopping.
Yeah.
And anyway, we figured we'd start our morning off with our source of energy.
Coffee.
We need some fuel before we get started. And so anyway, you guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and hit the red subscribe button below. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment,
share. Yep.
Seriously, you guys, shower us with comments, and
come rain or come shine or a shooting star. I've been to the south, I've been to the north, east and the west, the middle of course. I may have been astray, but I never been.
Hey, I feel the heat. So there are wasps absolutely everywhere. As soon as we come outside, we're being attacked and dive bombed by wasps. So Keith finds a very clever way of destroying them, and he can usually get a whole bunch of them at once, which really helps to kind of decrease the population. But it is kind of risky. As you can see, I had to kind of walk away because I can really feel the heat from the flames. But it seems to work. And children, don't try this at home.
To the kids playing hoops, going loop-de-loop, their rainbow-colored bouncy balls and their ice cream scoops. my hand and my feet in the sand. I got 20 ducklings in a row like a little marching band, and they sing ooh, ah, ooh, ah, oh. To the couples in love and the seagulls above, and any other living thing or creature I can think of, I wanna sing ooh, I wanna sing just wanna sing
Went for a walk with the stars last night. I've been too caught up to see it, baby. We can have it all if I just could get myself together. I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll take the pain. If I never try to get it, I can just forget it. I'm done playing the waiting game. I'm so done. I'm all done playing the waiting game. Baby, like the stars, I've been a million miles away, but you've been in my heart, somewhere down all this time, hidden away.
So I finally found an all-purpose cleaner. It's naturally derived. It is non-toxic and plant-based. It's called Method, and you can get it in 3 different fragrances. I got the pink grapefruit, and it smells awesome, you guys. So check it out. It's you can find it on my website at fairandorganized.com. You can get a pack of 3 for $14.
Don't wanna spend one night without your love. Don't wanna miss one fight. So listen, girl, I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll take the pain. If I never try to get it, I can just forget it. I'm done playing the waiting game. I'm so done, yeah. I'm all done playing the waiting game. I'm so done, I'm all done playing the waiting game. It's been you all along, but I've been too caught up to see it, baby. We can have it all if I just could get myself together. I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll take the pain. If I never try to get it, I can just forget it. I'm done playing the waiting game. I'm so done. I'm all done playing the waiting game. Baby, like the stars, I've been a million miles away, but you've been in my heart, somewhere down all this time, hidden away. I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll take the pain. If I never try to get it, I can just forget wanna spend one night without your love. Don't wanna miss one fight. So listen, girl, I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll